And what did you think after the second time? What goes through your head? You think, okay, I was attacked by an elephant and survived. I've been attacked by a crocodile and survived. What thoughts? Do you just put it down to bad luck?
For me, it was an afterthought that I didn't know whether I was cursed or what. But at last, by surviving twice, I always give thanks to God and the grace of life that He has granted me. Because my other colleagues here within the community, it's usually one incident and it results in fatalities.